Anuman ang pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, kapatid, huwag na huwag kang bibitaw sa Panginoon. Manapa, lalo ang magsumiksik sa kanyang presensya.
5 signs God may be testing your faith. 1. Challenges and difficulties. When life brings financial struggles, health problems, relationship issues, or career setbacks, it may be a test of faith. These challenges are not meant to destroy you, but to strengthen your trust in God's plan. 2. Seasons of spiritual dryness. At times, you may feel distant from God or as though your prayers go unanswered. This spiritual dryness can be a test to see if you will remain steadfast, continuing to seek Him even when His presence feels hidden. 3. Facing moral dilemmas. God may test your faith by allowing you to encounter tough choices that challenge your values. These moments reveal whether you will stay true to His word, choosing righteousness even when the easier path tempts you away. 4. Delayed answers to prayer. God sometimes withholds or delays His response, not out of neglect, but to test your patience and reliance on His perfect timing. Waiting strengthens your faith and reminds you that His wisdom and plans are always greater than our own. 5. Internal struggles. Battles with doubt, fear, or temptation can also be a sign of testing. In these struggles, you are called to align your heart, thoughts, and actions with God's truth, proving your faith.
Alam niyo mga kapatid, sa Biblia, yung testing of faith ay prominenteng theme yan that illustrates the strength and perseverance of believers. Marami ang mga nakita nating katauhan sa Biblia ang sinubukan talaga ng Panginoon. And one example is found in the book of James. Ang sabi sa atin dito, sa chapter 1 verse 2 to 3, "My brethren, count it all joy when you fall into various trials, knowing that the testing of your faith produces patience." Magalak daw tayo kapag tayo ay nakakasalamuha ng mga trials. Ang passage na ito ini-encourage us to view trials as opportunities for growth and maturity in faith. Si God, inaalaw tayo na matest to refine us. Katulad ng ginto na dumadaan sa apoy, dumadaan sa pag-hammering. Hindi lang basta kung anong ginto na nakita natin. Dumaan yan sa masusing refinement bago makamit ang ganda niya. Sa 1 Peter chapter 1 verse 7, "That the genuineness of your faith, being much more precious than gold that perishes, though it is tested by fire, may be found to praise, honor, and glory at the revelation of Jesus Christ." Yung pagiging totoo raw ng ating faith ay much more precious than gold. Yung testing niya by fire, sa atin naman may be found to praise, honor, and glory once na na-reveal na sa atin si Jesus. Furthermore, the story of Abraham, naalala niyo si Abraham, powerful illustration of faith tested. God commanded Abraham to sacrifice his son Isaac. Ang tagal nila bago nagkaanak, pero isa-sacrifice lang pala. And through this test, Abraham demonstrated unwavering faith. Kung maalala nyo, the Lord provided a ram as a substitute, affirming His provision and faithfulness. Kaya, huwag tayong mawalan ng faith, mga kapatid, in times of testing. Remember that God is with us as He assures us. Sa Isaiah 41 verse 10, "Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you. Yes, I will help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand." Yan ang pangako ng Panginoon na dapat tumanim sa ating puso, sa ating isip, sa ating kaluluwa. May you find comfort and strength, mga kapatid, in knowing sa mga trials, sa mga tests of faith can lead us to deeper trust and reliance on God. Kung anuman ang pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, kapatid, huwag na huwag kang bibitaw sa Panginoon. Manapa, lalo ang magsumiksik sa kanyang presensya.